Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use Format Paint tool in Excel. Friends, by the help of Format Paint tool, you can very easily copy the format of a single cell to multiple rows or columns. So now in Excel, you will find this tool in the Home tab in Clipboard section. So now I will show you how to use this tool. Now suppose I want to give the same format to my other cell, then I simply need to double click on Format Painter, and now when I click on any of the cell, the same color and font size and all the changes which I have done will be automatically copied to that particular cell. So friends, as you can see, I have very easily copied the same style to different cells. So like this, you can very easily use this tool. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.